Kashmir witnessed one of its worst terror attacks on April 22nd. 26 civilians, most of them tourists, were brutally gunned down in cold blood in Pahalgam's Baisaran meadow. The brutal massacre sent shock waves across the nation and drew a swift, resolute response from the PM Modi-led central government. Home Minister Amit Shah issued a clear warning that those behind the killings will face the toughest possible consequences. Speaking at a public event, Shah said that whoever carried out the dastardly attack in Pahalgam will not be spared. Shah said, हर व्यक्ति को चुन चुन के जवाब भी मिलेगा, जवाब भी दिया जाएगा. He also reminded the nation that the fight against terrorism in Kashmir has been ongoing since the 1990s and it will continue until every threat is wiped out. Though this was his first public reaction to the terror attack, Shah has been holding meetings and reviewing security situation in the valley on a war footing since April 22. Calling for international support, Shah said the entire world stands with India in this fight against terrorism. Meanwhile, PM Modi has been leading the nation's response from the front. At the time of the Pahalgam attack, the PM was on a 2-day visit to Saudi Arabia, but as soon as the news broke, he cut short his trip and flew back the same day. In his first public speech in Bihar after returning, PM Modi didn't mince words. He even switched to English mid-speech to send a direct message to the world, and he said, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. Back in Delhi, the PM chaired a high-level security meet with the Defence Minister, Chief of Defence Staff and all 3 service chiefs. In that meeting, he gave the armed forces a free hand to choose the timing, targets and tactics of India's response. His message was clear: India's fight against terrorism is not just firm, it's absolute. This attack has intensified tensions between India and Pakistan, with India accusing Pakistan of supporting cross-border terrorism. The government has taken strict diplomatic and security measures in response. As the country mourns the lives lost, the message from the top is very clear that this will not be forgotten and justice will be delivered.
पूरे देश की जनता को ये बताना चाहता हूं कि 90 के दशक से कश्मीर में जो आतंकवाद चला रहे हैं, उनके खिलाफ हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जीरो टॉलरेंस का नीति है. हम मजबूती के साथ अपनी लड़ाई लड़े हैं और आज वो ये न समझ ले कि हमारे 27 नागरिकों का जान लेकर ये लड़ाई जीते हो. मैं सभी आतंक फैलाने वालों को कहना चाहता हूं कि लड़ाई का अंत नहीं है, एक मकाम है. हर व्यक्ति को चुन चुन कर जवाब भी मिलेगा, जवाब भी लिया जाएगा.